Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to open up the Windows PowerShell on your Windows 11 computer. So this should be a pretty straightforward process, guys, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is right click on the Start button and then select Windows PowerShell or Windows PowerShell Admin depending on what you're looking to do, and just go ahead and open that up. If you receive a user account control prompt, go ahead and select yes. And there you go, guys, simple as that. Alternatively, if you open up to these magnifying glass and just search up Windows PowerShell, you can locate it that way as well. Again, you can also run that as an administrator through here too. So pretty straightforward process, guys. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.